Good morning, the handyman, and it's Wednesday, and we are in the Caribbean, and it is very, very hot today. Make sure and stay hydrated. All right, so today I am troubleshooting a problem with this control panel. If you follow me, you would remember when I posted a water leak at this area. So what had happened is that the water soaked the control panel till that day it has not operated. So I'm going to be doing some troubleshooting here, checking out the fuses, the breakers, timers, the contactors, doing a service of all with some contact spray. Yeah. Thanks for going on here. I bring up my bad boy. I bring up my Kentos. That's when you know things gonna happen. Boom. Yep. Remember guys, it is hot, hot, hot today. Stay hydrated. Be handyman, big jobs, small jobs, even the odd jobs. We do them all.